Welcome to Day 9. Today, we're learning real English you can use at the bus stop. Listen carefully, repeat with confidence, and feel your English grow. Does this bus go to downtown? Does this bus go to downtown? Does this bus go to downtown? Which bus should I take to the city center? Which bus should I take to the city center? Which bus should I take to the city center? What time does the next bus arrive? What time does the next bus arrive? What time does the next bus arrive? Is this the right stop for the 23 bus? Is this the right stop for the 23 bus? Is this the right stop for the 23 bus? How long do I need to wait? How long do I need to wait? How long do I need to wait? The bus is running late. The bus is running late. The bus is running late. The bus should be here in a few minutes. The bus should be here in a few minutes. The bus should be here in a few minutes. I've been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. I hope the bus comes soon. I hope the bus comes soon. I hope the bus comes soon. It's cold while waiting for the bus. It's cold while waiting for the bus. It's cold while waiting for the bus. Do I need a ticket before getting on? Do I need a ticket before getting on? Do I need a ticket before getting on? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Do they accept card or tap? Do they accept card or tap? Do they accept card or tap? How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? The bus is usually on time. The bus is usually on time. The bus is usually on time. Is it always this busy in the morning? Is it always this busy in the morning? Is it always this busy in the morning? It's a nice day to wait for the bus. It's a nice day to wait for the bus. It's a nice day to wait for the bus. I take this bus every day. I take this bus every day. I take this bus every day. I hope it's not too crowded today. I hope it's not too crowded today. I hope it's not too crowded today. Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? Great work today. You're building real confidence, one phrase at a time. Come back for day 10, your next step forward.